Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpin here, and welcome to another model railroading video. It's good to say that I finally returned back home from Pennsylvania after I've been in Pennsylvania for a week. It was lots of fun, and I got lots of good trains and railpan a lot. I even stopped at a hobby store along the way, which is probably my last full day of vacation. So that's why you've been wondering why I didn't do my haul when I was in I was in the hotel room or something like that. So. Anyways, I decided to do it when I got back home. So I got some new rolling stock. Show you guys. I even got a locomotive, but this was not from the hobby store. This is actually I just pre-ordered from Scale Trains. So this is basically a Scale Trains River Counter Union Pacific ET44 AH or the Tier 4 Gevo. So I got Union Pacific. So as for that, we'll just skip onto that, and then I'll do a review of that in another video. So moving on, so the rolling stock I have with me, first up is Altoona ready to roll hopper. So this is a Pullman Standard 4740 hopper. This is in the Norfolk and Western paint scheme. Looks very nice. So I got that. And the next is a Walters Proto coil car, so Norfolk Southern Protect 2. Because I do have another one on my layout, but that one is an Intermountain, so there's that. And that's the hobby store I got them from. I got all 4 of these from the hobby store, which is from, I think it's called Shaffer. Oh, I'm not sure how to say it, if I say that right. Shaffer's Bull Steam Ahead Hobbies. So it's a hobby store that's in the Altoona area. I picked that up. It's kind of like not far away from the Geniata locomotive shops. But so I was lucky I picked this one up. And also my favorite ones are these two right here. So there you are, the Bowser 100-ton hoppers. I got both of them are in the Norfolk Southern Horsehead scheme. So these are the HP30Rs. Because I'm actually really glad that Bowser was possibly the first manufacturer to produce these in HO scale, because I know they have been done in N scale before, but now Bowser is first to do this scheme for the first time out of all the manufacturers in the Horsehead scheme, which is something I've been hoping that they do, and they finally did it. So I picked up 2 of them. So there it is. So basically, I picked up 4 new rolling stocks from my local the hobby store when I was in Altoona, which was on my last full day of vacation, which was on July 6th. That was also when I went down to Horseshoe Curve and also checked out Juniata shops for a little bit, and then I ran in by the Amtrak station as well. So there it is. Those are all the stuff I have. So anyways, I'll unbox all these rolling stocks off camera so you guys can see what they really look like out of the box. So I'll get ready to unbox these soon, right now. Alright, so now that I have the rolling stocks out of the box, I want boxes, so I thought I'd show you guys what they look like. So here's the coil car. Very stunning. Lots of detail. The hood. And it has a pretty nice weight to it too, so I'm really impressed with how the weight that they had. So I'm gonna see if I can try to remove one of the hoods. See, removing the hoods is not too bad and easy, but you have to be a little bit patient when you remove them. So let me set this back up. So there's that. Very stunning, lots of detail. I believe they're molded. I believe they're kind of like mold on pack details, so not easy to break off. So there's that. And next, here's the Norfolk and Western hopper. It's got the McHenry coupler. It's a good detail. Very stunning. Let me show you that. Look at detail. Here, I think I'll show you the bottom side. Very nice. So there's that, and now we can the coal hoppers. Absolutely very stunning on both of these. Wow. that. This is absolutely amazing. Wow. And there's the interior. Very cool. And then the bottom. So there's that. So there it is. These are all the new rolling stocks that I got on my trip in Pennsylvania. Because I gotta say, their stores are actually very nice. They got a really good selection of model trains. They even got other hobbies like RC cars and all that. So I'm actually really glad with their model train section. They got lots of good stuff. So very nice. So I'm glad I was able to pick up 4 of these. And and since they're all NS themed rolling stock, they'll definitely be running on my NS Train 112 manifests or any more of my NS trains. So anyways, that's gonna do for this video. And I'll leave you guys with a little bit of a run by of these 4 in action. And see you guys next time.